everybody, this is Nora, and as promised, I am bringing you a review and swatches of the Modelones Smoothie collection, as you see here. But yes, just like the other collections, it comes with 7 pieces, 7 bottles, 10 mLs each. And again, as always, also beautifully packaged here in this beautiful box. And the card inside with instructions on how to contact them and how to use the product. Here are the beautiful 7 bottles with their iconic wood square top. And yes, so these are the colors right here. So they're a little bit more, they're more vibrant than the Temperature collection. And something that you will see me, I'm going to go ahead, I'm starting here with the swatches, and I went ahead and did 2 coats for each color and cure them. They cure fine with 30 seconds. I did 30 seconds in my 48 watt LED/UV lamp, okay? And they apply beautifully, no complaints with any of the colors here. The formula is just perfect, not too runny or not too thick. I like how they don't run into my cuticles and flood my cuticles, and no need to have any messy cleanups or anything like that. Look at that blue and this mint color. Yeah, so this collection is the Smoothie collection. The names are, we have orange, this is the lemonade, we have mint, we have blueberry, cranberry, cherry. Here they are. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And something different that I did now that I have both the Smoothie and the Temperature collection at hand, I went ahead and did a comparison for you guys on the colors, because a few of the colors seem, even to me, very similar, and putting them side by side, I was able to tell the difference between the two. Okay, so I went ahead and did that for you guys, and you guys can see the difference between some of the colors. The ones that were obviously different from each other, I didn't even bother. So I will go ahead and leave you with that, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. you guys have it, my swatches and comparison of some of the colors from between these two collections. If you have questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that these are available on Amazon and I'll have the link down below. I hope you enjoyed my review, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.